Hi guys, in this video I will show you about how to connect Google Analytics with your website and then how to connect the analytics with googleads. So the first part to do is you need to register the Google Analytics. Basically I'm gonna create an account for Google Analytics. The best thing if you have a Gmail account. If you don't have, I advise you to create one. It's very simple to do. Create a Gmail account so you can use that one account for multiple businesses. Of course I have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in, and of course if you don't have, please sign up for a Gmail account. Alright, once you sign in you will see this. Because I have an account already and I have multiple business accounts, so I manage everything from one place. As you can see here, I have multiple accounts and all of your properties available from here. So once you have the account, you will need a property. As every business are different, you can have more websites for your business, so you can create more properties for each website. Click on the gear icon, and on this screen you will find your account and your property related to your website. If you wanna create another account, you can easily create it from here. For another website example, you will just go through this process. You can add your website name, example. You can turn on the settings and you can click next. Here you can give your property name. It's gonna be your website name as mentioned before. Example. Try to give a name which is relative to your website, too easy to find it. Set up your time zone, your currency. You can click next. Here we set your business information. You can choose the industry. I'm just gonna pick one, let's say finance, small business, and you can click on the first two. We're not really gonna need the rest, so just click create. Here you need to just accept the terms of service agreement, click on accept, and you're ready to go. Alright, after you have the accounts, you're gonna need a data streams. Data stream basically it's collecting all your data from the website. So let's create that. I can show you right now as well. You will see this icon, so you're gonna click on that. Something similar gonna pop up. You're gonna give your website address as tribe.shop.com. Your stream name can be anything. Tribe for this reason is gonna be for 2, and click on enhance measurement and create a stream. I'm not gonna create this right now because I have it already, but there is nothing more to do, so you will have the same property as me. Alright, so now you've done that, you're gonna have a window like this. This window gonna pop up. So you got your measurement ID here. That's what you need to copy, and this ID you need to copy to your Shopify store. Alright, let's go back to our Shopify. Alright, in your Shopify store, go to your online store, preferences, and there you will find your Google Analytics accounts. Because I pasted it already, you need to paste your code here. Only the code after the UA. And click save. Now you save everything. Make sure you save everything. Refresh your page, your website, and visit your website. Once you go back to your analytics, you should see there's one user visiting your site right now. You can check it as a live visitor as well. So there's real time. You can see there's a real-time visitor 1 right now. Of course it can take some time when Google Analytics kicks in. After you copy all the code and refresh your site, it should take 1 to 2 hours maybe. It depends how quick is the system. After that, of course, it's basically live as you see. Alright, the next part in this video is connecting Google Ads with your Google Analytics. So go to the Google Ads site. Again, if you don't have a Google account, you need to create one. Make sure you sign up with your Gmail account. Click here start now. Because I have an account, I'm just gonna sign in. Alright, just go to the process as I showed you in the module. Follow the steps. When the first time you create a Google ad account, it will force you to create an ad as well, but after you create this ad, you can switch it off. Obviously, Google trying to spend your money to create an ad, but this is just the first step, so make sure you switch off that ad. So after that, we're gonna go through everything, how to create a proper ad, but first you make sure you go through the settings. As you see, Google can help you as well to start advertising. If you click on this link, it's gonna give you a £400 credit, so it's a great way to start. Within £400, of course, you can test a lot of things. And now you need to go through this process. It's gonna be Terror Tribe shop. You just basically copy your website link. All right. Next, you can check your website, looks good. Click next. In this step, Google trying to force us to create ad as well right after we create an account. Unfortunately, you need to do this step, so but no worries, we can switch off right away that ad, so you're not gonna spend any money on that. This step is not really important, it's trying to figure it out what goals we have. Click on get more website sales or leads. Click next. Here Google basically try to create our ad, so no worries about this. We're gonna create another ad, but if you're not change it, just change it. We're gonna create totally new ad later on as well. Change it quickly, something friendly bracelets near you, bracelets web store. This looks alright. We don't need this, and just go next. Here Google trying to figure out what our best keywords. Bracelet is good. Just give some more. Man love bracelet, and there we go. If you're gonna add more keywords later on, click next. Firstly, we're gonna focus on United Kingdom, so choose United Kingdom. If you're from another country, just choose your own country, and later on you can obviously advertise around the world, but focus now on your country. Here you need to set a budget what suits for you. Obviously Google trying to force you to spend more. Go with the first one, or you can enter your own budget. This is a daily budget, so don't give too high budget. Of course, it's gonna be your first ad. Just give 6. And later on we're gonna set up a totally new ad, so no worries about this. Check all the fields you filled up. Alright, this looks good. Here you need to give your payment informations. Choose your country, choose your time zone, give your details, address, payment method, and click submit. Here you need to verify is your account and your payment. Basically Google just made a 0 fee payment just to check if is our bank card, so you need to approve that. After that, everything is gonna work properly, and now you can go back to your campaign. So basically your ad account is now live, it's ready and it's gonna work. Click get started. So in this step it depends what website you have. If you have an e-commerce website, this is the recommended, or you can choose customer complete purchase. That's our main goal. So our main goal is always to make sure people put the item in a cart and they're gonna purchase something. Obviously we focus on clicks as well and site visitors, but just because you have a lot of site visitors is not guaranteed you're gonna have a purchase, right? So we need to make sure we focus on the checkout and purchase. If you have a service website, as you serving some clients, or you have a small business and you're a plumber, stuff like that, you can make sure you need leads. So you want to focus on leads. I want leads. So you need to click on some of these. You have basically a contact form on your website. You can have schedule an appointment. Customers fill out some informations. You're gonna click on probably customers request contact or appointment, or more information from you or made a call. As you see, your ad account is pending right now. Let's gonna go through a quick check. This usually takes 1 working day, but after that it's gonna be live. So make sure after the check ad is running, and then you need to switch it off. We're gonna have a new ad to set up. Of course, your account is gonna change in the view. This is just the first view after account is live. You will have an advanced view in this account. Once you've done the registration, you go back to the admin. You can quickly connect your ad account with your Shopify. Because I done this already, I'm just gonna show you how it is gonna look. So you click here, and as you see, account is linked. If nothing is show you right now here, you can click link, and you need to choose now your Google Ads account. If you done everything correct, you will see your account name will pop up here. So click on that and click confirm. Once you do that, you need to configure the settings. Click next, and just click submit. Alright, so your link is created. You can either close this window, and your personalized advertising account is enabled from now. Just to make sure, you can just refresh the page again. So everything seems alright. So make sure this account ID is the same as in your Google Ads account. Let's say remember the last 4 digits and check it in your Google Ads account. So this is the same account, so everything alright. So you can click in here, and now your Google Analytics connected with your Google Ads.